is a small township located to the south of the Yangon River, standing in contrast to the busy streets of Yangon, Dhala's dusty roads and cheerful villagers, blissfully oblivious of their poverty-stricken lives, are worth experiencing.
It's a really sunny day today. I'm at the Natida jetty and it's near a local market. We're waiting to take a ferry boat to Dhala village. Come with me and you're gonna see how beautiful it is and if it's worth for the trip to Yangon.
Despite its location near Yangon, the township is still largely rural and undeveloped mainly because it still lacks a bridge across the Yangon River, with connections between the township and the city being by ferry only. Ferries leave for Dhala every 20 minutes and the journey takes not more than 10 minutes. This public transport is the most popular way with the people in Myanmar. Leaving the busy ferry, we meet up with our lovely drivers with their rickshaw. Rickshaw is a vehicle similar to a three-wheeled bicycle, having seats for passengers next to the driver. Rickshaws are used mostly by local people in Dhala. Like any city in Myanmar, pagoda is an important part of the lives of most of Myanmar Buddhists. Our first stop in Dhala is Switzerland Pagoda, located right in the center of town. The interesting part about this pagoda is in the center area lays a mummified monk enclosed in glass protected by a locked gate. The monk lived in Dhala before he died. He was put in the pagoda 150 years ago. His body is wrapped as a mummy and covered with gold. This monk is a landmark in Dhala. One of his eyes opened in the years of 2008. The villagers took this as a warning sign from the monk of the cyclone that destroyed the entire town later that same year. Our next stop was the fisherman village located along the banks of Dhala River, one of the best places to approach the daily life of local people. Fisherman's village was an area where boats were docked, repaired, and stored. Every day the fishermen used these boats and bring back fish to sell. Rather than modern skyscrapers and colonial buildings in Yangon, there are colorful fishing boats and houses which can only be described as shacks. Bamboo Village is a village that was initially built as a temporary housing for the victims of the cyclone in 2008. All of the people currently living there lost their livelihood, jobs and families because of the cyclone. Today is a poverty-stricken area with families and over 80 children still residing there since the cyclone. Personally to me, the most beautiful place was the Canberra Peace Center Orphanage. Mr. Robert Sampson, owner of this place, invited us to come to the house to join the little kids. This orphanage center was founded 19 years ago. He has saved more than 70 kids since then. Now there are 25 kids living together in this house. The older kids go to school during the day, while those smaller stay home with Robert. Flyers and upkeep is provided only thanks to the support of the local people and visitors.
I'm so glad I belong to Jesus. I'm so glad I belong to Jesus. Hallelujah, praise God.
Nhà đã chiều à? Ngày hóa được không? Ngày hóa được đi đâu?
Yangon Circular Train and railway system was built during colonial time by the British. The double-track railway was built in 1954, 45.9 kilometers and 39 stations. It takes almost 3 hours to finish a circle. This particular train runs 20 times on railway consisting of about 200 coaches with 100,000 to 150,000 train tickets sold daily. Traveling by train, especially by Yangon Circular Train, is a delightful way to discover a cross-section of life in Yangon. Together with buses, the railway is heavily utilized by lower-income commuters because it's the cheapest transportation in Yangon. Yangon Circular Train serves from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily and costs about $2 per pax. Train ticket can be bought at all stations. In Yangon Central Railway Platform 7, you can buy ticket at a small ticket office on the platform.